Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I'm going to do Mickey's pumpkin nail art. This is basically a recreation of my old nail art which I did few years ago. So I'm starting off my manicure with base coat to protect my natural nails. On my middle and ring fingernail, I'm applying 2 coats of black nail polish. Over black nail polish, I'm going to draw Mickey's pumpkin using a mute orange nail color. I'm drawing half circle over black base and then adding ears with this mute orange polish. I'm drawing ears and filling those gaps using this painting brush. Now I'm going to add details using brown, olive green and another orange nail polish which is one shade darker than the one I used previously. Now you can stop your manicure here or you can go ahead by adding Mickey's eyes and nose to this pumpkin. To be honest, I was liking it before adding Mickey's eyes and nose. On my ring fingernail, I am drawing Mickey's head by combining 3 tiny dots in together. Now I am applying this orange nail polish on rest of my nails which I used previously to draw Mickey's pumpkin. Over this orange nail polish, I am doing a simple dotticon nail art using black nail polish and dotting tool. Finally finishing off my manicure with a glossy top coat to make my manicure long lasting and to give it a beautiful shine. Now if you want matte look, then you can apply matte top coat afterwards. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share my video with your friends if you like to. Thanks for sharing and subscribe to my YouTube channel to never miss any upload. See you in my next video. Bye bye.